my next potting soil or gardening soil for container gardening, the next one that I have is the Miracle-Gro Potting mix. This is what I usually use. This is what I use for all my planting for so many years that I've been planting. This is what I use. I've been planting since 2013, and I've been planting since then. And this is what I use. I use the bigger size because that is the 2 cubic feet. This one is the 1 cubic foot, and I like it because it do well. It grows all my plants very well, and I just like it. But I want to try something new, so that's why I got a new Miracle-Gro Performance Organic all-purpose container, and this is only for container grows. You can, and then it also have the instructions here how to use it, you know, and then it does well. It does really well. You can use it for seedling. So easy to use instructions. Select a pot with a drain hole, fill pot about 1/3 full, and loosen root ball, which is the actual ball around the root of the plant, and then add more mix, press tightly, and then water, and then you just let it drain. So that's it. And the lightning also, it tells you plants vary in their lightning, and so requirements refer to the plant tags for specific sun or shade. So the tag on the plant tells you how much water to give them or sunlight they need. The watering also, you let the mix dry to the patch between watering. Do not allow plants to sit in the drainage water. Outdoor containers plants require frequent watering as often as once per day in hot, dry conditions. So to let the guesswork out of watering, try Miracle-Gro Moisture Control Potting Mix. So that's another recommendation. I've never used that one before. I always use this, and I know how to watering them. I do my watering every 2 or 3 days, depending. And then repotting also to avoid soil compaction, like how you put too much soil on the plant, and replenish nutrients. All container plants should be repotted annually with fresh Miracle-Gro Potting mix, and that's what I do. So that is the Miracle-Gro, and this 1 cat foot bag will fill 2 12-inch containers. That's what it says. So this will be for 2 12-inch containers for 1 cubic foot of Miracle-Gro Potting mix. I use this a lot, so I know how to use this all the time. So that is my review of the Miracle-Gro Potting mix. If you are a beginner into gardening, I would say use this, and then next year you see how it does. Then you try a different gardening soil like I am doing now, because I've used it so many times. I want to use something different to see what works well, or if something else will work better than this one. So this is my go-to all the time, but I'm trying something new. So that is my review or overview of the Miracle-Gro Potting mix. Grows plant twice as big, and that is true. It does do that, and then it feeds up to 6 months. And then that's that one, and let's move on to the next one.